Hi, I'm Ali. I built Rivium Push. In this video, I will show you how to set up Rivium Push in your application.
Hey everyone, today I want to show you Rivium Push, a push notification service that works with Flutter, Android, iOS, React Native, Web, and Node.js. If you have ever struggled with Firebase setup, dealing with google-services.json, or just wanted something simpler, this is for you. And here's something important. Rivium Push does not depend on Google Play services. That means it works on any Android device. Huawei custom ROMs, Amazon Fire tablets, industrial devices, kiosks, anything. If users don't have the Play Store, Firebase simply doesn't work. Rivium Push does. Rivium Push gives you push notifications on any device, no Play Store required, inbox, a persistent message center inside your app, in-app messages, modals, banners, full-screen pop-ups, A/B testing, test different messages, see which one wins, topics, subscribe user to channel like news or promotions, VoIP call, native incoming call screen just by sending a push. And the best part, you get a free tiers with 5,000 messages per month. No credit card needed. Let me show you how it works. We are going to go from zero to receiving a real push notification in about 5 minutes. First, head to consolerevium.co and create an account. It takes 10 seconds. Once you are in, you will see the dashboard. Let's create a project. Done. When you create a project, you get two things: an API key, a server secret. Copy your API key now, you'll need it in a second. But don't forget, you need to, in project setting, enable push. That's it for setup. No Firebase project, no Google Services JSON, and no dependency on Google Play services. Just one API key works on every Android devices out there. Note for iOS, you will still need to upload your APN certificate or key in the console. That's an Apple requirement. Nobody can skip that. But on Android, there is zero extra setup. Now let's see it in action. Rivium Push has an example app you can clone and run right away. Open the project in your IDE. The only file you need to touch is Rivium Push service. See this line? Paste your API key here. That's the only change you need to make. Now, let's look at what happens when the app starts. Open main Dart. That's it. One line initialize the SDK. Let's look inside the initialize method. Here's what's happening. Just paste your API key and optionally a notification icon name. The SDK handles everything else: connection, registration, token management, reconnecting. You don't configure any server URLs or certificates. After init, we call register. They register the device with Rivium Push so it can receive notification. Let's run it. The app launches and look at the top right. That green cloud icon means we are connected. The status card shows initialized, yes, connected, yes, and our device ID. We are already receiving push notifications. Let me prove it. Go back to the console, navigate to Rivium Push, send. I'll type a title, Hello from Rivium, and a body, your first push notification. Select the device we just registered. You can see it in the Devices tab with the device ID matching our app. Hit send. Boom! There it is, a real push notification on the device. And if we tap it, the app opens and shows us the notification content in the dialog. The SDK handles that automatically with get initial message and on notification tab. Let's look at the push notification screen in the example app. Every message we receive show up here in real time. You can see the title, body, and tap any message to see the full details. Custom data, deep links, image URL, everything. Topics let you group user by interest. Instead of sending to every device, you send to a topic and only subscriber get it. Let me subscribe to news. Now, from the console, I can send a notification to the news topic, and only devices subscribed to news will receive it. Subscribing and unsubscribing is one line. Inbox is one of my favorite features. Push notifications disappear after the user reads them, but inbox messages stay until the user reads or deletes them. Think of it like a message center inside your app. Let me send an inbox message from the console. And it appears here in the real time. You can see unread messages with bold text, read ones in the normal weight, and archived ones in a separate tab. Swap right to archive, swap left to delete, tap to read the full content. The unread counts updates automatically. You can see it for a badge on your inbox icon, just like the example app does on the home screen. In-app messages are pop-ups you show inside the app, modals, banners, fullscreen, or cards. Unlike push notifications, these only appear when the app is open. You create them from the console and set triggers. App open, show when the app launched, custom event, show after purchase, level up, sign up, season start, show at the beginning of the season. In the example app, let me trigger an app open event. And if there is a message configured for that trigger, it opens up right here. You can also trigger custom event. The console decides which message to show based on your rules. Your app just fires events. This is a feature that surprised me at most. You can create A/B tests to find out which notification message get more clicked. Here's how it works. Number one, create a test in the console with 2 or 3 different messages. Number two, start the test. And 3, send. The system automatically splits your users into groups and send each group a different message. Number 4, check result. You'll see click rates, open rates, and the system tells you which one won with a statistical confidence. In the SDK, you can also use A/B test for anything in your app. Button colors, banner text, whatever. The example app has a demo section that changes a button color based on the A/B test variant, and you can track impressions, click, and opens, all from the SDK. One more thing, I want to show you if your app has calling features. Rivium Push has a VoIP add-on plugin called Rivium Push VoIP. When you send the push notification, we type VoIP call in the data, the user gets a native incoming call screen. CallKit on iOS, the full screen call notification on Android. It works even when the app is completely killed. Here's how you set up. Add one more package, then after initializing Rivium Push, initialize the VoIP plugin. To trigger a call, just send a regular push with this data from your backend. That's it. The type VoIP call is a magic key. Without it, it is a regular notification. With it, the user gets a native call screen with accept and decline buttons, ringtone, the whole thing. On iOS, it uses CallKit, so it looks exactly like a real phone call. On Android Plus 12, it used CallStyle notification with full screen intent, and it works in foreground, background, and even when the app is terminated. This is optional, only add it if your app needs calling. Sending from the console is great for testing, but in production, you'll send from your backend. The server secret keeps your backend call secure. Never put it in your app code. So let's recap what we did. Create a project in the console, got an API key, paste one API key into the example app, run it, immediately connected and registered, send the push notification from the console, receive it instantly, subscribe to topics, check the inbox with persistent messages, trigger in-app messages, set up A/B testing, and we saw the VoIP add-ons for native incoming call screen. All of these without touching Firebase, without any complicated setup. And remember, no Google Play services needed. Your app can receive push notifications on Huawei devices custom ROMs, Amazon, Fire tablets, industrial Android devices, anywhere. The example app is on GitHub, link in the description. Clone it, paste your API key, and you are running in 2 minutes. Rivium Push supports Flutter, Android, iOS, React Native, Web, and Node.js. The free tiers give you 5,000 messages per month. Links are in the description. Thank you for watching, and let me know in the comments if you have a question.